Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install an application on Windows by using Ansible playbook. Ansible is an open source software configuration management and application deployment tool. Chocolately is a repository used for managing Windows softwares. The master server requirements are Ansible, Python 3 pip by WinRM. Windows requirements are PowerShell 3 and above version .NET 4. To install and manage packages using Ansible, first we need to install the Chocolately repository on Windows. Go to the installation link here, copy this line, search for PowerShell ISC, run as administrator. Paste the copied code here. It will install the Chocolately on Windows. After complete, now I'm going to the master Linux system and do configuration for installing the application. First I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next I'm going to check the dependency packages. First I'm going to check the Ansible. Ansible is there. Next I'm going to check the Python packages. Next I'm going to check the pywinr Python package by using following command. Next I'm going to install the Chocolately plugin to Ansible by using following command. It's installed. Next I'm going to edit the inventory file of the Ansible. It is located in the following location. Here I am going to give the host for Ansible. This was my Windows host. This was my IP address. The credentials I given here. Username is admin. Password I given here. The port number and the connections are also given. After completely finishing, press escape for escape mode, WQ for save and exit. Next I am going to write a playbook to install the application in Windows. First I am going to define the host name. Windows is the host name. Next in gather facts I'm going to give true. Next I'm going to assign the tasks. The task section, first I'm going to give the name of the task. After that I'm going to give the name of the application I'm going to install, which is namecoin. In stage section I'm going to give the present for install. After completely editing, press escape :WQ for save and exit. Next I'm going to check the syntax of my playbook by using following command. Next I'm going to run the playbook by using following command. Playbook is run. Now I'm going to the Windows client system and check the install the packages. This was my Windows client system. Namecoin application is installed by the playbook. Now we remove this playbook. Now we remove this application by the another playbook. For that I'm going again to the master machine. Here creating the playbook for remove. Host I'm giving Windows. Gather facts must be true. Next I'm going to assign the task. The name of the task is uninstall namecoin. Here I'm going to call the model. Name of the application is to remove is namecoin. For removing status absent. After completing, press escape :WQ for save and exit. Now I'm going to check the syntax of my playbook by using following command. Next I'm going to run the playbook by using following command. Playbook is run. Now I'm going to the Windows client system and check whether application is uninstalled or not. The installed application namecoin is uninstalled by the playbook. The By this, how to install an application by using Ansible playbook has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.